In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to log into SNAP EBT account. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now search for your state's official EBT website or EBT portal. Make sure you select the correct and secure government site since login pages can vary depending on your state. Once you're on the website, look for the login or cardholder login option and click on it. Now enter your user ID and password that you created during registration. After entering your details, click on the login button and within seconds you will be taken to your account dashboard where you can see your balance and recent activity. If you're logging in for the first time, you may need to click on register or create an account and follow these steps by entering your EBT card number, personal details, and setting up a username and password. And in case you forgot your login credentials, simply click on forget user ID or password and follow the recovery process. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.